Hi, this is a demo of using the GitLab Observability Platform for error tracking, specifically how to configure a Sentry data source and explore errors. This feature is currently in active development and only available to a few GitLab team members who are testing it. So I'm currently in the observability menu. There are already two data sources here, which were automatically provisioned for this project. In this demo, I'm going to set up a new data source, in this case, GitLab's own self-hosted Sentry instance. So I'm going to select GitLab error tracking here, and provide a URL to our Sentry instance. The org is GitLab. I'll give it a name and just use the URL for that. The auth token is an API token that I generated within Sentry. And now I can save and test my data source. The test was successful. I can go to Explore Telemetry Data. And here in the dropdown, I'll select my new data source. There are a few things I can explore. I'll start with stats. I need to pick a project. I'll go with Rails and I'll look at errors over time. I'm going to look at the last 30 days. So here I can see errors over time for this project. I can see some spikes in January there. I can zoom in and maybe notice any kind of patterns or more specific details. I can also look at list of issues directly and sort them by events. This will give me the most occurring errors for this project. So the main ones seem to be about active record. What I can do as well is filter with a query. So for example, if my team owns this autofix worker component, I can add this to the query here, look back in the past 7 days maybe, and have a look at the errors that this component was triggering, and this will help me to prioritize any error fixes that I want to do. So that's it. It's worth noting that a user can bring their own data source and already get insights into their errors from within GitLab without needing to migrate any of their data. Alternatively, they can use the integrated error tracking and not have to manage or pay for their own Sentry instance. And what's next for this feature? To work on the visuals, we want to make this more in line with GitLab design system and add capabilities such as embedding a list of errors in comments or in issue descriptions. Thank you for watching.